Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox Realme Buds Classic. I ordered it from Realme website on 10 November and it got delivered on 13 November. So pretty fast delivery. Well done for that Realme. It's in Diwali sale, so I got 20 rupee discount. So it cost me around 379 rupees. So now we'll open the box. It's a normal knife. By the way, it's my first unboxing. So I hope you like this video. Pretty basic packaging, nothing is extraordinary. Just open the box and here we got a letter. Not letter, it's a bill. Now we'll open the box. Here you can see the box. It's the typical yellow Realme box. So let's open this. We got the box now. By the way, this safety wrap has its own separate fan base. This wrap is pretty good stress buster too. So don't waste any more time, let's get straight to our box. So here are the box. On the back there are some key features written on it. As you can see, the 14nm base driver, HD microphone, let's open the wrap. So here is the box. It's pretty minimalistic. So as you can see, the key features of this earphone: built-in cable organizer, HD microphone, 14.2mm large driver. Here is another seal. There are too many seals.
Six and a half hours later. One eternity later.
Okay, now the box is open. As you can see, here is the packaging of the earphone. By the way, this yellow part is the built-in cable organizer as the Realme side. By the way, packaging is pretty good. I don't expect this much good packaging. It's the plastic build. By the way, fitting of this earphone is pretty good. I already used them. This is the 3.5mm jack. Let's open the cable and see how big is the cable. By the way, quality of the cable is pretty good. It's not a normal cheap wire. It is pretty durable too. The black color is pretty good in terms of look. I don't know do you can notice the quality of the cable or not, but it's pretty good in this price range. By the way, the earbuds or whatever it said, it's plastic build, but in this price range it's fine. Let me show you the quality of the cable. As you can see, I hope you can notice that the quality is not the normal cheap cable, it's a pretty good. I don't know what to say this material, but it's pretty good and durable too. So for that, well done Realme. I can easily say it is the best earphone in terms of durability. So now back on our wrap. It's so satisfying. I hope you can listen the sound of this skin wrap, the safety wrap paper or polythene, whatever it says. By the way guys, tell me in the comments what to say this polythene or the wrap or whatever it is. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you wanna watch more video like this, then subscribe the channel. A fun fact I forgot to tell you that the audio of this video is recorded by this earphones mic. So tell me in the comment how's the quality, and I'll meet you in the next one.